Jumpstart your future, hone your craft, learn from the pros, and build your career through apprenticeship. The Apprenticeship Training Program is a successful partnership between various trade apprenticeship sponsors and Honolulu Community College. This program is the largest in the state and provides related instruction to those on Oahu who are apprenticing in various construction and mechanical trades. Apprenticeship dates back thousands of years and has proven effective in facilitating the learning of skilled trades. In Hawaii alone, there are over 100 apprenticeship occupations, and demand for skilled workers in the state continues to grow. The Apprenticeship Training Program at Honolulu Community College partners with trade apprenticeship sponsors such as the Hawaiʻi carpenters, masons, roofers, painters, sheet metal workers, and many others. The application, testing, and interviewing process is managed through each of the different trade apprenticeship programs. This process occurs at different times throughout the year, and information on the different trades and contact information can be found on Honolulu Community College's apprenticeship webpage. Apprenticeship training is composed of two components: on-the-job training and related instruction. Once selected, apprentices are placed with a contractor or company and begin full-time employment. Apprentices work under the supervision of an accomplished tradesperson and learn their trades through guidance and work experience. Related instruction for many of the apprenticeship programs are conducted at Honolulu Community College. This component consists of structured classroom and lab instruction. Apprentices are typically enrolled in a mix of classroom and hands-on instruction, and this training can range in duration from 2 to 5 years. Classes are held after work hours, on weekdays, and Saturdays. Apprentices are involved in both training components at the same time, and these are meant to complement and supplement each other. Apprentices who complete their full apprenticeship programs become journey workers and are awarded a certificate from Honolulu Community College. Those who are interested in earning an associate's degree can also do so by completing additional general education classes. Journey workers play a critical role in the Hawaii workforce. They also earn higher salaries and have the potential to advance into roles such as apprentice supervisor, contractor, or business owner. The apprenticeship model is leading the way in preparing American workers to compete in today's economy. Apprenticeship programs keep pace with advancing technologies and innovations in training and human resource development through the complete involvement of employers in the educational process. Honolulu Community College is proud to be contributing to the development and maintenance of a properly trained Hawaii workforce. Mahalo for learning more about the apprenticeship program at Honolulu Community College, the college that builds Hawaii. We encourage you to set up an appointment with one of our academic counselors to learn more about the different pathways to careers in the trade.